My name's Madeleine, and I am from Santa Fe. I currently reside in Oakland, California, and I came to Meow Wolf to create a mural and participate in the madness. My artwork is multifaceted. I traditionally have always worked as a painter, and I gradually evolved into working in muralism. I saw it as being kind of a boys' club, and I just became very determined, and it was something I wanted to do and to prove more to myself that I could do something that large scale and in a public sphere. The concept of this mural was very much rooted in my experience living and growing up in Santa Fe, so there's a lot of I think desert themes, but there's also little parts of other places I've traveled. I get most inspired when I travel. I use a portal to get through and 2 different dimensions, and I carry it with me all the time, everywhere I go. My portable portal, just in case I need to escape quickly.